Is this deal actually any good? Belentino Deal Quality Engine. An 8-pillar investment intelligence platform that transforms subjective property decisions into quantified confidence signals. Financial analysis. Market benchmarking. Risk profiling. Expert assessment. Strategy-aware weighting. 1 score. 1 verdict. 0 guesswork. Every investor has faced this moment. The deal looks promising on paper, good area, reasonable price, refurb scope manageable. But how good is it really? Compared to what? You check the yield. Decent. You estimate the margin. Looks okay. You ask a friend in the business. They shrug. Without a structured framework, every decision comes down to gut feeling. And gut feeling is what leads investors to overpay on mediocre deals while missing genuinely strong opportunities. The problem is not a lack of data. The problem is a lack of methodology. The Deal Quality Engine provides that methodology. Enter your property details, financial inputs, and expert assessment. The engine processes 8 weighted pillars and returns a deal quality score from 0 to 100 with a clear verdict: proceed, review, caution, or kill. 80 and above means proceed, strong opportunity, move to full due diligence. 60 to 79 means review, investigate weak pillars. 40 to 59 means caution, borderline, only with local knowledge. Below 40 means kill, the numbers do not stack up. 8 pillars. Each quantified from 0 to 100. Financial returns at 25% weight, your ROI, yield, and profit margin blended by strategy. Market position at 15, how your deal compares to area benchmarks for price, yield, and price per square foot. Risk profile at 15, inverted scoring where higher risk means a lower score. Location quality at 10, regional data blended with your liquidity assessment. Area liquidity at 10, property type, price point, and bedroom count heuristics. Layout and planning at 10, potential for value add through design and planning uplift. Refurb and execution at 10, build cost ratio and complexity assessment. Exit confidence at 5, your margin buffer and refinance potential. Not all deals are the same. A buy-to-let weights yield heavily. A flip prioritizes margin and speed. A BRRR values refinance potential. The Deal Quality Engine adjusts pillar weights automatically based on your chosen strategy. 5 strategies: buy-to-let, flip, BRRR, conversion, and development. Each with its own weight distribution. A flip deal increases the financial returns pillar to 30% and reduces layout to 5. A conversion increases layout to 15 and reduces liquidity to 8. The same property, the same numbers, but different strategies produce different scores, because different strategies have different risk profiles. The financial returns pillar is the most powerful. It calculates 5 core metrics. Gross yield, annual rent divided by purchase price. Net yield, after deducting operating costs. Flip profit and margin, end value minus total investment, as a percentage of GDV. Return on investment, profit relative to total capital deployed. Monthly cash flow and refinance potential for BRR strategies. Each metric is normalized to a 0 to 100 scale and blended according to your strategy. A buy-to-let deal weights yield at 50%. A flip weights margin at 50. The financial pillar alone tells you whether the numbers work. Numbers in isolation mean nothing. Is a 6% yield good? It depends on the area. The market position pillar benchmarks your deal against district and regional averages. Enter your postcode and the engine enriches from postcodes.io, region, district, latitude, longitude, then queries Belentino's market database for local benchmarks. Average price, average yield, average price per square foot. Your deal is scored against these benchmarks. 20% below area price earns 20 bonus points. 2% above area yield earns 15. The market pillar answers the question every investor should ask: how does this deal compare to what is normal here? Risk is not an opinion. The risk profile pillar auto-detects critical and warning flags with actionable recommendations. End value below total investment, critical flag, negative equity risk. Refurbishment cost exceeding 50% of purchase price, warning flag, execution risk. Margin below 10%, thin margin flag. Yield below 4% for rental strategies, underperformance flag. Each flag includes a severity level, a description, and a specific recommendation. The risk pillar uses inverted scoring. More risk means a lower pillar score. A deal with 0 flags and strong margin scores 90+. A deal with 2 critical flags might score below 20. Not everything can be quantified from financial data alone. The expert assessment layer captures the investor's on-the-ground knowledge through 6 qualitative dimensions, each scored 1 to 5. Area liquidity, how easily you can sell or let. Layout potential, can the design be optimized? Planning upside, is there precedent for planning gain? Refurb simplicity, how straightforward is the scope? Margin headroom, how much buffer for overruns? Resale confidence, how certain is your exit? These scores feed into the quantitative pillars as blended inputs, ensuring the final score reflects both the data and the investor's expertise. Every scored deal gets a comprehensive detail page. A premium gauge visualizes the deal quality score from 0 to 100 with animated counting, verdict badge, and strategy indicator. The financial summary card shows all calculated metrics: yield, margin, ROI, cash flow. The market position card shows your deal versus area benchmarks with directional arrows. The 8-pillar breakdown displays horizontal bars color-coded by score. The expert assessment radar chart plots all 6 dimensions for instant pattern recognition. And the AI Insights panel generates 5 types of intelligence: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, risks, and overall confidence assessment. Pro subscribers unlock 2 powerful features. The comparison tool lets you select up to 4 deals for side-by-side analysis, overlaid radar charts, pillar-by-pillar tables, financial metric comparison, and an automatic winner announcement. Which deal has the highest score? Which has the fewest risks? Sensitivity analysis models what-if scenarios. What happens if the purchase price increases 10%? If refurb costs overrun by 20? If the end value drops 5? A line chart shows exactly how your deal quality score shifts with each variable, identifying which inputs drive your score the most. The Deal Quality Engine connects to your entire Belentino workflow. Import properties from Market Scanner, Quick Scorer, or AI Property Scoring. Feed your deal quality score into the offer engine to set maximum bid prices. Route score deals to the deal funnel CRM for pipeline management. Push financial data to the exit simulator for stress testing exit strategies. All data synchronizes automatically through local storage and cloud database. One deal, scored once, available everywhere. The Deal Quality Engine is accessible to everyone. The free tier includes 5 deals with full 8-pillar scoring, market benchmarking, risk detection, comparison tool, and CSV export, no credit card required. Pro at £49 per month unlocks unlimited deals, custom pillar weights, sensitivity analysis, and priority support. Business at $79 adds team access. Enterprise at $149 includes all 16 tools and API access. All annual plans include 2 months free. Is this deal actually any good? Now you know. Belentino Deal Quality Engine. 8 pillars. 1 score. Total clarity.